If you're going to talk to anyone on Jobs Day, it'd have to be the most bullish economist on the street, and we've got her for you. Sireen Hajj is a member of the team at Credit Agricole that is forecasting a 240,000 job increase in December payrolls, 15,000 ahead of the next highest estimate, and 90,000 above the street consensus. Credit Agricole is a Bloomberg best forecaster on the U.S. economy, and Sireen is on the phone with us from her offices here in Manhattan. Sireen, 240,000, it seems like a bit of a risky call because you guys are basing this forecast on the ADP numbers that we got the other day, and I don't need to tell you, a lot of people dismiss ADP as an unreliable factor.
Well, we think that it's true. A lot of reports out there have been doubting the strength in the ADP, and we think that there may be some seasonal factors that may have exaggerated the strength. However, we cannot dismiss that strong report, given the very strong correlation between ADP and non-farm payrolls. Also, if you look at the November payrolls figures, if you look at the service sector hiring, it came in at about half the pace that it has been over the past few months, and that was in sharp contrast to a lot of the data that we saw, for example, strong retail sales and holiday sales and other economic indicators. And that's why we believe that there may be some lagging factors there, and we're going to see some of that strength come back in the December figure, or at least we see some upward revisions for November, thereby suggesting a stronger employment situation than previously thought.
Now, what happens if, so I take it you might feel vindicated if you don't get the headline number in December, but we do see some revisions. What happens if both numbers come in below your forecast? What will it tell you about the economy?
Well, it would be difficult to make a complete determination about what's going to happen over 2011 based on just one or two numbers. We do believe that firms are still cautious in hiring. However, we think that given the expected strength, we're looking for a below-trend growth in GDP, and we believe that this will cause, or it will help companies feel more comfortable to start hiring when they have been otherwise during the recession. And also, we expect that given more and more clarity over policy in Washington, that will also encourage companies that haven't been investing to start doing more capital investment spending. If you see corporate profits have been quite strong, and a lot of companies have strong retained earnings, so we expect that to provide some support. Also, we expect that some strength will come from consumer spending. We believe that the preconditions for stronger consumer spending are now there. Households have been able to rebuild their balance sheet. Savings rate are currently at about 6%, and net worth now is now rising, not falling. And
so,
also,
Sireen, I want to ask you one quick question before we go, because we have to get to a commercial break.
Definitely.
What's your expectation for the unemployment rate at the end of this year?
We look for it to decline to about 9%. We do believe that the decline is going to be gradual because a lot of people are going to come back into the labor market who may have given up during the recession.
Sireen, I'm afraid we have to end it there. Wanted to get that forecast from you. Thanks so much. Sireen Hajj, she's a member of the team at Credit Agricole with the highest estimate for December jobs gains.